My friends, Mastorakos is going to show you today how to repair remote control from TV or perhaps another machine. If some of the buttons are not working, or perhaps all the buttons. We have here a remote control. At first, we have to remove the battery. As you will see, most of these remote control have no screw for holding the two parts together. If they have any screw, we have first to unscrew the screw. So we have to separate the two pieces by using a screwdriver or a knife and very carefully all around, as you're going to see, we open the two parts which are holding together with small clips. So we have to be very carefully and don't break them. Slowly all around until we separate the two pieces from our remote control. This is the electronic part of our remote control. We have to use alcohol, maybe another cleaning fluid, like special fluid for cleaning contacts, electronic contacts. But if you have alcohol or acetone, it's very well. So with a small piece of cotton and alcohol, we are cleaning all the points of the contacts very well. And so, and also the rubber parts of these contacts. Okay, now we have cleaned all the parts and we can reinstall the two parts together and closing our remote control very carefully all around by closing, as you see, each one of these plastic clips, watching not to break them. And now, as you see, our remote control is okay. We are putting the batteries and it's like new.